today we are doing a Euro 2016 pack opening. So
we all have 10 stickers each.
Packs each.
Yeah. So we're going to get going. Oops, I just ripped a bit of it.
Doesn't matter. In my first pack I can see an England player. In my first pack I've got Ross Barkley.
In my first
going in Inler, Sengun, Fedetsky and Lloris. That's
so
my first.
we've got this guy here. Bojan. We've got
Bashawowski.
yeah, Bashawowski.
I've got Lang, Medeni, Chanalogu and Sweden duo.
Does that say?
Gonal.
We got Gonal here. We've got
And a Russian duo.
we've got these two guys. I don't know how you pronounce it, but we've got these.
I've got
And
Martin
we've got
Skirtle,
this guy.
Alaba,
We're
Tova,
about to start.
Farina, and I've also got the Panini official. I don't know what it is, but anyway, I've still got the Panini thing.
By the way, we've opened a lot of packs, but haven't done videos on them, have we?
No, which we are gonna. Oh, and I've got for England a Starman, which is probably going to stand out. Jamie Vardy, Ramsey. Oh, and I can see the Hungary badge, shine the sticker. Romanian duo and Thibaut Courtois, a standard player. Also got Jerome Boateng, World Cup winner. Velasco, Bullet, Buffon, and a Belgian duo with Courtois and Alderweireld at the end of that pack.
So just dropping in our next pack, which I'm going to pass to Joe, because I can't really pronounce the names.
Got an Italian duo, a Welsh duo, McGinn, Sharaway and Canna at the end for Albania. And we've got Lallana and Baines, Subasic, McGuinness, a Romanian duo and Shirkov for Russia at the end of that.
I can't really pronounce the names. They're a bit complicated, aren't they?
Shirkov. Some of them are Russian. Oh, and I can see Sabo, Popper, Wilson, Daniel De Rosa, and we've also got Slovakia celebrating, which they are.
We've got the
Unfortunately
Republic
not out of
of
the group. Ireland celebrating.
Ireland celebrating.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, and we've got a swap of the Panini official. I don't know what it is.
Thingy, whatever. Thingy.
I've also got Ivan Rakitic and Craig Cathcart for Northern Ireland.
Man, they put a sticker in that's a bit bent.
I've got Luke Shaw, Korolka, Williams, Ingsign and Smirnikov for Russia at the end again. Like the 17th time, I don't know. And we've also got Sebastian Prodl, Kowalsk, Northern Ireland duo, Republic of Ireland, I'm sorry. And we've also got Turkish Shiny celebrating at the end of that pack. Well, I've got 4 packs remaining. Oh, and we've got Weiss,
They can do them all
Marcia,
together. Oh, you've got no shiny sticker.
Carola and Mavraj.
You got a shiny sticker.
I can see it, yeah. Oh, Bosco, Mario Götze, the World Cup winner. Rotherham, Macaulay, England celebrating there, you can see, but they're knocked out. Miller, I've got Ramsey Ozcan, Kramaric, Hendrick, Turkey duo, and Denisov for Russia.
Joe,
Again
I'm
at
doing
the
this
end.
pack. Joe, I'll do your packs.
Sculler, Simon Church for Wales, scored up, and Stuart Dawson, Kyle Lafferty, a duo from Northern Ireland.
Man, these are super hard. I'm ripping like every side here. Right, got another pack open.
Joe Hart, Nathaniel Klein, Milan Baldage, David Cotterill, Macho Damian, and the Slovakia celebrating shiny above.
UEFA choose.
Oh, I've got the mascot for UEFA France. I think I've already got him, but it don't matter because he's a very good one. I've also got another World Cup winner for Germany, Andre Schürrle. Joe Ledley, Jonathan Williams, Carlos David Silva for a duo for Spain, and Kara Stefenko.
Oh yes, got shiny sticker.
Oh, and we've got a Croatia shiny sticker. I don't think I've got that. Cerner, Norwood, Oliver Norwood, Graziano Pella, he is really good, and Company and Nicholas Roambus for.
And the final pack might be lucky.
We've got Eric Durm. We've got a Albania duo, a Rep of Ireland duo, and Collar Debuser. Well, that was a bit of a rubbish pack, that. Worst pack ever.
Last time, I don't think we cameraed it, but we got special Ronaldo and normal Ronaldo.
Well, I was very excited then. It was my last pack of my last two stickers. That's our UEFA Euro 2016 pack opening.
So,
I hope you subscribe, and we'll be doing more of these
all our
soon.
stickers.
Bye!
See you later, guys.